Well, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I got a big surprise for you. Look what I got. Boom, Apple Watch. This is the 12th series. Let me unwrap this. Let me tear this up, the plastic wrap here. Alright, you see how to open this. I don't want to tear this open, but I'm trying to open this properly. Let's see, right? It's a double wrap here. Okay, there's two boxes. This is the wristband. Okay. Let me open the box first. This is, I guess, the instruction manuals stuff. This is a chart cable. Regular USB cable. Oh, this is like a. Okay, I gotta tear this up. This is the actual watch. Let's see. Let me attach the wristband. Is that correct? No. This way. I think that's pretty much it. Here we go. I think this is the spare part in case you lose it. No, I think this is a little shorter, just in case you have like skinny hands. Okay, here we go. Alright. That's it. So I'm not going to walk you through the setup here, but that's pretty much it. Go on.